Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube description. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Amazon and like Amazon affiliate, and you're gonna select search for any product. So you can just write here product and just write here, I don't know, keyboard. Now it will load for you. And you're gonna see like all the keyboards that it searched for you that you can like add to your as Amazon link. So you're gonna see like get link here, but what you want to do is like create the arrow, click on it, and it will appear, or just open the keyboard and copy the URL. So it will either open a link for you or just open the product and just copy the link. Now what you want to do is just go to your under your video to editor. So I have right here, and now what I would do, I would just click here on details and edit in my YouTube video. And now what you can do simply is just like buy my new camera keyboard here, and voila, this is how you do it. Click save, and when I'm going to open the YouTube video, I can see it right here, and it's like not really long, and people can simply click on it, and voila, if you could see it, simply you can see that's my link. Now another thing, like another two things that you need to know, what I recommend is definitely go to geniuslink.com, and I will explain you why, and also kit.co. And I will explain like both of these sites and what they're doing. Genius Link is really great for if you want to, you have also links in the description. How it works. So you have multiple Amazon sites. You have Amazon France, Italy, USA, Australia, etc. And if you have only like Amazon.com and someone from Europe is going to come on your website, you're not going to get affiliate like money from it. So we need to use a Genius Link pricing that's like $5 a month. So if someone is going to come from Amazon Italy, he will be redirect. So what will happen is that you're gonna have like all the links for this product, Amazon.com, Amazon D, like for Germany, Italy, Spain, like Japan. Every single link like will looks like this. You will add it and it will generate one single link in Genius Link. So if I should use Spain here, what will happen is this. So you will have Amazon there, then like com, etc. and also Spain. And these three links will create one single link by Genius Link. And then what will happen is like wonderful. You will just put this Genius Link into the description, and then what will happen is that people are going to click on it. Yes, he will be redirected to Hispania or to Com or to German Amazon, but you will get the affiliate money. And another thing is, Kitco is a wonderful way how we can like increase your revenue from Amazon affiliate. And by the way, how to do that is just simply when you like you can create a kit like for photography, for traveling, etc. And then it's like perfect. So these are the two things that you can do and how it works. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, definitely check it out. Have a great day and goodbye.